Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing a perennial called Verbena, Bonariensis. Oh, I'm rubbish at Latin anyway. It's a perennial. It grows 4 or 5 feet tall. And it has lovely wispy stems where you can see through, so you can plant them in the front, the middle, the back of borders. You can see through them to the other plants. It recommends on the seed packet that when sowing them, that you put them in the fridge for 1 or 2 weeks if germination isn't good. What I tend to do is put them in for between 1 and 2 weeks at the beginning. The seeds seem to respond to having a cycle of cold weather. That seems to encourage germination. So here we go. I'll show you the seeds. This is the name, Verbena, Bonariensis. Oh, anyway. Let's have a look at the seeds, shall we? Here we go. Sorry about the mucky nails, but I'm always sowing seeds, so as you can see, absolutely tiny. What I tend to do is with these peat pellets is just insert a pen in the top, just to give you a little dip. There we go. That's one. It says ½ centimetre deep. I'm going to try and sow 1 or 2 in each one. Can't see them that small. Yeah. With plants that it says to sow directly outside because they don't like being transplanted, I always use these peat pellets because you get no root disturbance. Nearly there. What some people do, so they can see the seeds better, is put a bit of flour, mix them with a little bit of flour so they show up better. I can't be doing messing about like that. Some there. A couple more to do. And we'll place them in the fridge for a couple of weeks. But the reason I'm growing these is the £7.99, £8 to buy from a garden centre, and I'm just not prepared to spend that sort of money. Here we've got last one. Right, now they're done. I'll just close them up at the top. There. I'll be posting a few more videos today on how to sow different plants, foxglove, digitalis, dahlias, that sort of thing. Right, off to the fridge. If you've got any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be glad to reply to anybody on any gardening subject. Let's stick the tag in there. Right, I'll show you how they're getting on in 3 or 4 weeks. Any questions, just answer. Thank you, bye.